Okay, so let's see what will happen here. As you can see, I've got the console just bungee corded back down to the bike and plugged in. Got the battery hooked up, temporarily installed. I have reinstalled the carburetor. A few things we'll go over about that. I have the updated kit installed for the crankcase vents, and that was kind of involved. I'll talk about that in another video. I had to do a bunch of changing to make that happen. I did put the one missing intake manifold bolt back in. If you can see that there, that was missing. Got my fuel bottle hooked up. We're going to see what happens. Let's go ahead and turn the fuel bottle on. I guess do that. And I guess we'll look and see if we got any fuel dripping out anywhere. I didn't have on the bench, so I wouldn't imagine now. I would now. Bike is cold. I'm going to do this raw. Hope for the best. Oh, one thing I never did show on this bike was what the odometer shows. Doesn't mean it's the mileage of the bike. But the odometer on this motorcycle is showing 6,948 miles, which is pretty cool. So, let's see what happens. Let's see if it even thinks about starting. Try and get this for you. Try and get this for me. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it started. I think I will now play with it and try and get it to idle better. Cool.